morning all of you. Carboxylic acid, preparation of carboxylic acid 2. First preparation from Grignard reagent. We know what is Grignard reagent. When a metal is directly attached to the carbon atom of organic, it is called Grignard reagent. To prepare carboxylic acid, along with the Grignard reagent, solid carbon dioxide called tri-ice is used. C double bond O, C double bond O, this is carbon dioxide. When treated with methyl magnesium bromide, in all Grignard reagent preparation, in the first step, triether used as a solvent. We know oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. Carbon electronegativity value 2.5, oxygen 3.5. Oxygen pulls the shared pair of electron towards itself. Oxygen becomes minus, carbon becomes plus. Metal always lost electron becomes a positive ion and methyl minus. Minus is added to plus, plus is added to minus. Gives addition product C double bond O. This methyl minus is added to carbon atom CH3. After the bond shifting, Mg plus Br minus is added to oxygen atom. This addition compound undergo hydrolysis in presence of mineral acid H plus. Addition of H plus OH minus. Magnesium is a metal, loss electron becomes positive ion, oxygen becomes negative ion. Now H plus is added to O minus and OH minus is added to Mg plus, gives carboxylic acid. What is the molecular formula we have? CH3 C double bond OH acidic acid plus MgBrOH. MgOH, here one Br, magnesium bromohydrin. So what is the compound obtained? Eth, 2 carbon eth, single bond N, oic acid, ethanoic acid, Grignard reagent. Formic acid cannot be prepared by Grignard reagent since the formic acid contains only one carbon atom. Carbon dioxide contains one carbon atom, the lowest alkyl methyl containing one carbon atom. So we can prepare the carboxylic acid containing 2 carbon or more than 2 carbon, formic acid containing only one carbon atom. Therefore, using Grignard reagent, we cannot prepare formic acid. Come to the preparation of aromatic carboxylic acid, benzoic acid. Solid carbon dioxide, C double bond O, C double bond O. When treated with Grignard reagent, here our Grignard reagent is phenyl C6H5 magnesium bromide in presence of triether. As usual, oxygen is more electronegative, therefore it pulls the shared pair of electron towards itself. Carbon becomes plus, oxygen becomes minus. Magnesium is a metal, always lost electron becomes positive ion, phenyl negative ion. Minus is added to plus, plus is added to minus, gives C6H5 is added to carbonyl carbon and single bond oxygen. After the bond shifting, magnesium bromide is added. This compound undergo hydrolysis in presence of dilute HCl or dilute sulfuric acid. Addition of H plus OH minus. oxygen becomes minus, magnesium becomes plus. To this minus H plus is added, to that plus OH minus is added. So what is the product? C6H5 C double bond OH. C6H5 C double bond OH plus MgOHBr, magnesium bromohydrin. This is nothing but our benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. Phenyl carboxylic acid, phenyl methanoic acid. The next method of preparation of carboxylic acid is hydrolysis of acyl halide. An example, acetyl chloride, CH3, C double bond OCl, undergo hydrolysis in presence of mineral acid H plus. The common name of this compound is acetyl chloride. IUPAC name is 2-carbon eth, carbon-carbon single bond N, oil chloride, ethanoyl chloride. H plus Cl minus removed as HCl and OH minus is added to carbonyl carbon, gives CH3 C double bond OH plus loss of HCl. Acetic acid, we know the IUPAC name, 2-carbon eth, single bond N, oic acid, ethanoic acid. Next method of preparation is also hydrolysis. The anhydride functional group is C double bond O, C double bond O. This is the functional group for anhydride. The next method of preparation of carboxylic acid is hydrolysis of anhydride. First, acetic anhydride, CH3, C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3. Acetic acid, when treated with the dehydrating agent phosphorus pentoxide, undergo intermolecular dehydration, gives acetic anhydride. Undergo hydrolysis, addition of H plus and OH minus in presence of mineral acid H plus, dilute HCl or dilute sulfuric acid. Acetic acid undergo ionization, gives acetate minus acetyl plus. One H plus is added to acetate minus, OH minus is added to acetyl plus. See the molecular formula, CH3 C double bond OH, CH3 C double bond OH. Two molecules of CH3 C double bond OH acetic acid are formed. Then instead of acetic anhydride, if you use benzoic anhydride, molecular formula C6H5 C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3, C6H5. Benzoic anhydride. Undergo hydrolysis, addition of water molecule H plus OH minus in presence of mineral acid H plus, CH3 C double bond O minus, benzoyl plus, H plus is added to benzoate, OH minus is added to benzoyl, gives CH3 C double bond OH, CH3 C double bond OH, two molecules of C6H5 C double bond OH. This is our benzoic acid, phenyl methanoic acid or benzene carboxylic acid. The first This acid is our acidic acid, 2 carbon eth single bond enoic acid, ethanoic acid. In the next video also we are going to prepare the carboxylic acid. That is a very important method. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe.